guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to start a brand new series on the channel. Probably wondering, what's the series going to be? It is going to be me reviewing my Lego Technic and playing Lego monster trucks. And we're going to be starting off with the main Lego Technic monster jam trucks. Probably wondering, what's the first truck going to be? Is it going to be Ultra Loco, Thunder Roar, Sparkle Smash, Monster Damnation, Dragon, Megalodon, Gravedigger, Fire and Ice, Gravedigger, Max D, JCB Digatron Lego? I'm going to say I do not have Ultra Loco, Monster Damnation, Dragon. I also don't have plain Gravedigger, and I don't have Max D. Well, I used to, but when I was younger, I used to tear them apart because I am that child. I was that child, yep. So you're probably wondering, what am I going to be doing in this first episode of reviewing things? So I thought I'll be doing a review on Monster Jam and Lego Technic Monster Truck JCB Digatron. I've seen this truck in real life at Birmingham, and then yeah. So you just put this in. So here's an absolute. Is he gonna stay? Nope, he don't want to stay. That's sad for you guys. Because I wanted him to. Can he do a wheelie? Right, can he so he can do a wheelie, but he can't stay like that. Sad. So you're probably wondering, guys, what we're going to be doing in today's video. So I thought that since it's the first episode, we should use. Well, we're going to do it every episode, but since it's the first episode, we can add something. So this is the thing that's going to be in every episode. See how far they travel. And if the technic ones get further than the first technic, then technic takes the lead. If the main Lego ones go further, then that means that they win the first time. And then in about a couple of weeks, we'll do the duel. So that means like they both go against each other in one entire video. So stay subscribe and leave a comment on this video if you want to see that, because I have already planned a lot of competitions for that video, and yeah, so you want to stay tuned in on the channel for this. Right, so what are we doing today? So we're using the ramp obviously, and the added one for the technical ones are like how fast can they go across the camera. So I'm going to do it in my bedroom, and we're going to set the entire competition up. So if you come with me. Oh, hello guys. So I'm going to set you up. So yeah, I'm filming this all in my bedroom, by the way. I'm filming it. Oh gosh. Put my hand in the way. About there. Yeah, that's fine. And I'll set the ramp up about here. But yeah. See you in a minute. So there, guys. We're gonna use one. So there's JCB Digatron. There goes the ramp. The first thing that we're gonna do with JCB Digatron is see that how fast does it go across the camera. We're gonna be doing it this way, so you like so you can kind of see him go through. So this ramp is just gonna be at the side for a minute, and I'm just gonna show like how he can you can move him back and you can move forward. So yeah. So I'm doing 1, 2. I'll do a full one. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now with that, we're going to compare it to the other Technic ones and the main Lego ones. So now it's time to get the jump in. Dun, dun, dun. So now you can see him and me. How nice is that? His hat's absolutely killing me, which you don't have to know about. But before we go on to the next challenge, make sure you leave a comment on this video. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment if I should do more of these, or if I should just quit YouTube. Come on, let me know. And I go and get a drink. Oh, yeah, I'm wearing the worst team's shirt in the Premier League. So if you see my trousers, yeah. I got my drink. Right, I'm back, guys, and I've got my squash. Tastes like squash. I don't know why it tastes like squash. Oh, and that microphone that you saw in the beginning isn't why I didn't tell anything. I just thought it looked cool. Which you probably won't. Sorry guys, I'm so thirsty at the moment. This is now going behind the camera. Right, and now I need to get JCB Digatron back. Come on, come on. Ah, you bastard, you spun on me, you twat. So I need to sort the ramp, I need to just line him up. So it's how far I travel, so I might need to put the ramp. Now, you're just going to see him in the air, and where his back tyres land, both tyres land at the exact same time. Then it's just going to go down as that, where the back tyres fully landed. They're my slippers, by the way, I was just chucking them further back. Let's start this. A challenge. Second challenge. And if he misses the ramp, he's just gonna go down as a DSQ. Disqualified, by the way. Ooh. He is getting a minus point because he flipped over the ramp. And also, since that's done, we can go back onto the chair and just say, oh gosh, without killing myself. Now we're gonna put you back there. Sorry if my hand was in the way there. There we go. And say thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.